Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to print with comments. So as example, I will add comments into this document. You can go to review and then I will sort at these points, click new comment. So you can comment in here. I will select again at this word, new comments, and you can type the comment. Now, if you want to print out this comment, don't forget to check this icon, show comment, and click file, go to print, and then I will use the printers. You can choose your printer. Don't forget to check for the print preview, so you can preview the comments. Okay, the next you can click print, and it be automatically show the comments in your document. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to print with comments. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.